Now we are going to see the experiment DC power supply using LM317 or IC723 to design the low voltage variable regulator circuit which can produce a voltage of about 2 to 7 volt using the IC317 or IC723. We can verify the output using the Multisim software. Regarding IC723, it is a voltage regulator which supplies constant voltage regardless of change in load or input variation. The IC723 can design both the low voltage as well as high voltage regulator by adjusting voltage. It is a voltage which can act as a low voltage regulator as well as high volt regulator, which produces an output of 7 to 37 volt. This IC723 voltage regulator is a series voltage regulator used in normally series voltage regulator application. It uses both positive as well as negative voltage regulator and provides 150 milliamps of current using the power transistor. Next we are going to see about the LM317. LM317 is a 3-pin series adjustable voltage regulator, and this regulator provides output voltage of 1.2 volt to 37 volt at 1.5 amps. This IC is easy to use and it requires only 2 resistors to provide the variable supply. This LM317 series is most commonly used 3-terminal adjustable voltage regulator, and the power rating of such regulator by a factor of 10 volt more because of the improved overload protection, which is greater load circuit and can be drawn over a given operating temperature range. This is a circuit diagram of LM317. We have designed the power voltage regulator using this LM317 IC. Here we can give the input voltage of any voltage, but it produces the constant output at the output pin, that is in the 5th pin. This blue line indicates the constant output we obtain, and this is the voltage across the capacitance. Okay, now we can see the output. This is the output simulation graph. uh, Output simulation graph. This blue line indicates the output is we obtained is a constant 5 volt output. Okay, this green line is the output which is without any filtering circuit. We will get this kind of oscillation output, that is will have the ripples in the output. This ripples is removed by means of the filter and it produces constant output at the output pin. Okay, now we are going to see the simulation output of this. Now we can see the circuit diagram for this. See, this is the circuit diagram for the LM317 voltage regulator. Here the blue line is the output which produces the constant output voltage. Okay, this is the capacitive filter here used. Without a filter there will be a ripple, so that in the 3rd pin we will get the green color signal which with the ripples, but in the output we get a constant 5 volt with this blue line. Okay, now we are going to just see the simulation in real time using Multisim Live. Now I have simulated the circuit and you can see the output. See, okay, the output is like this. You will get the at the 3rd pin, that is at the input of the voltage regulator, you are given the input as this ripples, but at the output that is at the 5th pin we get the constant 5 volt at the output. In this manner we can get the regulated power supply of any volt from 7 to 37 irrespective of the input variation. Okay, this is the explanation of power supply using LM317. Thank you.